This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Riverside San Bernardino's relaying, y'all!
Take extra precautions if you work.
Be right back. Double the test! Double the test! Weekly test, y'all! Woo! Weekly test! Woo! Are the TV stations relaying? This is quite the surprise! We got both Riverside and San Bernardino counties tests and the NOAA Weather Radio required weekly test. Oh, KPSP! What about, is KSQ? Oh yeah, KSQ's relaying. Let's do KPSP.
This has been a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that could quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. This has been an actual emergency.
Yeah, we got weekly tests. No, monthly tests. And the NOAA Weather Radio weekly test. Yeah, KSQ and KPSP relay at the same time. Now to catch KMIR!
Well, it's such an amazing time, and I think it just started right away with the Desert Age Project 12 noon Tuesday, Thursday class, which has been going on for years and years. Nobody's a professional.
Of course, KMIR fails.
Except in their spirit and in their breath. You know, that's not about the poses. So there was this need to really bring everyone together. I think we've all felt that.
You know, it's right there. That's quite the surprise. Shut up, you. All right, guys. That was both Riverside and San Bernardino counties' monthly test, plus the NOAA Weather Radio required weekly test. This was a big surprise. This is nothing like I've ever encountered before. Hang on, I'm speaking. I'm speaking right now. So yeah, that's that. These three activated. Woohoo! Zone guards. Friggin' Sanji and CL100 didn't activate. Oh well. Stay tuned for San Diego County's monthly test. Bye now.